Discover what GPT Chat is and how it can revolutionize the way you interact with chatbots. GPT Chat, or Generative Pre-training Transformer Chat, is a technology that uses transformer-based language models to enable chatbots to have more natural and engaging conversations with users. This means that GPT chatbots can understand the context and purpose of a conversation and provide more accurate and relevant responses rather than just responding to predefined questions. GPT Chat allows for smoother, more efficient interactions with chatbots, improving the overall user experience and making chatbots more useful and valuable. GPT Chat can be used for a wide variety of applications, including chatbots. GPT Chat can be used to create chatbots that can have more natural and engaging conversations with users. These chatbots can be used in customer service, e-commerce, entertainment, and many other contexts. Language translation. GPT Chat can be used to build machine translation systems that can translate text from one language to another in real time. Text generation. GPT Chat can be used to generate text that is similar to a given prompt or input. This can be used to create content for websites, social media posts, and more. Dialogue systems. GPT Chat can be used to build dialogue systems that can hold natural conversations with users. These systems can be used in virtual assistants, voice assistants, and other contexts. Language modeling. GPT Chat can be used to improve language models, which are used to predict the next word or sequence of words in a given text. This can be used to improve the accuracy and fluency of machine-generated text. Text-to-speech. GPT Chat can be used to generate speech from text, which can be used in applications such as text-to-speech software and virtual assistants. Speech recognition. GPT Chat can be used to improve speech recognition systems, which are used to transcribe spoken words into written text. These are just a few examples, and there are many other potential uses for GPT Chat. I will be going deeper into this subject in future videos. I hope you liked it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.